everybody. Welcome to Get Fit, Get Active. How are you? Today we're a bit different. We are going to do low impact 7 minutes to just improve your cardiovascular fitness. No impact. We've got some great house music and we're just going to move. Very simple. And I want you to let me know how you get on in the comments. So make sure you like and subscribe. You are on a month-long program with me. I'm doing a 7-minute Get Fit, Get Active workout with you every day, and I love to hear from you. So please share the video, like and subscribe, and let me know how you get on. Are you ready? We are going to march on the spot. There we are, on the spot. Now have a march forward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. Just going to introduce you to some new low impact moves this morning. Do it again, or this afternoon, or wherever you are, whenever you're doing the workout. Hope you're feeling positive. Do it again. March. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. March back and hold. I want you to tap to the side. Just tap it out. There, good. If you have, if you have your step counter on your wrist, maybe an Apple Watch, Samsung, let me know how many steps you do in the 7 minutes. Good again, tap to the side. Now let's put that together. So we march 1, 2, 3, 4. March back. 5, tap to the side. Tap. So really gentle. 4, 3. March it forward. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. Good, march back. And hold. Tap it out to the side. Now, because we are well into our program now, you could always sandwich the workouts together. So you could do this workout first, and then maybe choose one of the previous workouts that we've done. Stick them together. Now 2 taps on your right, 2 left, and I'm trying to build a habit with you that you're exercising with me every day. And tap. 1 more. Here we go. You ready? March forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. March back. Hold. Tap to the side. 8 singles. 6, 4, 3. Double taps on the right. Double on the left. And again with your double. Now 4 taps. 1, 2, 3, and change. 1. Now 8 taps. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and change. Go. 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4, 3. Are you ready? March forward. Let's go. March. Hold. March back. Now hold. Tap to the side. 1. So we do those singles first, and then we do the doubles. 1, change, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, change. 1. Now 8. Here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Change again. A little bit of cardio. 8, 6, 5, 4. Now let's move on. Take a step touch. Step together. 2 steps to the right. 2 left. And again, 2 steps over. Now 4 steps. 1. Now change. 4 across. Now 4 again. Let's go. 1, 2. Now change for 4. 2 steps. Here we go. And change. Now singles. Can we do that again? 2 steps to the right. Let's go. Break down. 4 steps. 1. Now change 4 back. 2 steps. Change. Now singles. 1. Now pick the heel up and give me a curl and curl forward. Now curl back. And again, curl. Good, curl back. 4, 3, Do it again, curl. I can't wait to hear how you get on with this one today. And 4 curls back. From the top, forwards. 1, 2, 3, and hold. Walk back. Hold. Single taps. 1, 2. Here we go. Here's your doubles. Change. 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and change. 8 taps. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and change. 8, 7, 6, 5. Go, go, go. Step touch. Here it is. 1. 2 steps to your right. 2 to your left. 4 steps. 1, 2. Now change. 4. Oops, lace again. 2 steps. 2 back. Now singles. Good, now curl. 2. Curl back. 1. Curl again. There. That's it, you've got it. And then curl back. 4. Finish it off. 2 curls. Double. Now double. And again, your 7 minutes is coming in. That was awesome, wasn't it? How do you feel? This has released some of your happy hormones. You're feeling good, happy and positive. Single. 1. Now 4 back. Doubles. Double. And double. 2 more doubles. Last one. Walk forward. Hold. Walk back. Hold. Walk forward. Hold. Good. Walk back. We are there. Hold. Tap to the side. And again, tap it out. 2 taps. 4 taps. 4, 3, 2, change. 4. 8 taps. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 8 change. 8 down, 7 down, 6, 5, 4, 3, and you're there. 7 minutes of cardio in the bag. How did you get on? Let me know in our challenge, Get Fit, Get Active. I'll link to the last couple of workouts. You can sandwich those together. Leave a comment, let me know how you get on, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next workout. Remember to like, subscribe, share the video, and let's help you get fit and get active.